Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Vanguard is just another payday loan service with sky-high fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's become a flexible platform that combines quick cash access with smart repayment planning. Here's the breakdown. Payday Vanguard allows you to request a short-term cash advance or access part of your earned wages. Funds are usually available within hours, helping cover emergencies like car repairs, medical bills, or urgent utility payments. The app also provides clear repayment schedules and reminders, making it easier to stay on top of your obligations. A standout feature is its spending insights. Payday Vanguard tracks repayment progress, upcoming payments, and even provides tips for managing short-term finances. This means it's not just a cash advance, it's a tool to prevent overspending and stay organized. The downside, frequent use can add up. Relying on advances for regular expenses may lead to higher costs over time. The key is responsible, occasional use. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request amounts you can comfortably repay. 2. Set reminders and stick to repayment dates. 3. Use the app's insights to plan your budget. Who benefits most? Users with steady income and occasional urgent expenses. Those who frequently rely on advances without planning may face high fees. In conclusion, Payday Vanguard in 2026 is practical, fast, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Use it for emergencies, monitor repayments, and track your spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews and smart financial tips.